How to properly maintain your motorcycle, support and care. Hello motorcyclists and all fans of the two-wheeled life. Today, we will talk about how to properly maintain your motorcycle to ensure its long-term and reliable working condition. Support and care are key aspects that will allow you to enjoy a safe and comfortable ride. Let's look at the main aspects of maintenance that will ensure a long and reliable life for your motorcycle. Oil change. The engine is the heart of your motorcycle. Changing the oil is one of the most important procedures in motorcycle maintenance. Engine oil provides lubrication of the engine and its elements, preventing wear and maintaining optimal temperature. Change the oil according to the manufacturer's recommendations and use a quality oil for optimal results. Checking the level and replacing the coolant. Prevention of overheating. Coolant is an important element in maintaining optimal engine temperature. Regularly check the level and condition of the coolant, adding or replacing it as necessary. This will avoid overheating and ensure effective cooling of the motorcycle. Changing filters, clean air and oils for optimal working condition. Mesh and oil filters play an important role in the system of providing clean air and oil for the engine. Regular replacement of these filters helps to avoid wasting power and keeps the engine in optimal condition. Brake system check. Safety first. The braking system is a key element to ensure safety while driving. Regularly check the level of brake fluid, the degree of wear of brake pads and discs. Timely replacement of worn elements helps to avoid problems with brakes and preserves their efficiency. Chain adjustment and replacement, the right thrust for efficient driving. The chain is an important element that transmits power from the engine to the rear wheel. It is important to adjust the chain tension correctly and lubricate it regularly to avoid wear and tear and maintain efficient power transmission. Replace the chain and sprockets if necessary. Tire test, safety and stability on the road. The rubber is the motorcycle's contact with the road, so regular tire condition checks are essential to ensure safety and stability on the road. Check the pressure, the condition of the tread and the wear of the rubber, replacing them in time if necessary. Electrical system, checking the battery and electrical equipment. Checking the battery, the operation of the charging system, and the condition of the electrical equipment are important aspects for the proper operation of the motorcycle. Regular inspection of onboard electronics and timely replacement of the battery helps to avoid unpleasant surprises on the road. Service book and regular inspections, the key to successful maintenance. Do not forget to keep a service book and regularly visit an authorized service representative for full maintenance and diagnostics. This will help identify potential problems early and keep the bike in top condition. Maintenance tools and techniques may vary by motorcycle make and model, so always refer to the manufacturer's manual and service manual. Thanks to these recommendations, your motorcycle will always be at its peak, ready for new exciting adventures. Share your motorcycle maintenance tips in the comments, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great motorcycle content. Thank you for your attention, and to new exciting motorcycle adventures.